Welcome back to Strategic Command. The security landscape is shifting fast, and India is not just adapting, it is dominating. We are witnessing an unprecedented phase of modernization, driven by massive domestic investment and aggressive global outreach. Today, we break down the game-changing doctrine that secured our skies, Operation Sindoor. Plus, we look at the historic 79,000 crore defense push and the new security pact solidifying India's position as a net security provider across the globe. Let's dive in. Starting with a major headline, a leading Swiss defense think tank has confirmed that the Indian Air Force achieved undeniable air superiority over Pakistan as early as 10th May, thanks to the operationalization of Operation Sindoor. This is not just a military exercise, it's a strategic doctrine that has fundamentally altered the regional balance of power. The capability was showcased nationally, serving as the strategic centerpiece of the recent Republic Day parade alongside the formidable Rafale jets and the unstoppable BrahMos cruise missile systems. India is sending a clear, unambiguous message about its preparedness and overwhelming aerial dominance. This operational dominance is being backed by serious capital. India has announced a massive 79,000 crore rupees defense push aimed specifically at countering immediate strategic threats from both China and Pakistan. This monumental procurement initiative solidifies the government's commitment to self-reliance, or Atmanirbharta. The fruits of this policy are already visible. The Made in India C-295 transport aircraft project, currently underway, represents a major milestone in indigenous defense manufacturing, transferring vital aviation technology directly into Indian hands and boosting our industrial base. Policy analysis confirms that these budgetary priorities are squarely focused on achieving complete strategic autonomy. India is rapidly moving from a primary buyer to a trusted global supplier and strategic partner. Our defense exports are soaring, highlighted by a significant new deal with the UAE, cementing ties in the Gulf region. Geopolitically, the nation is sealing a crucial security and defense partnership with the European Union, a high-tech alliance that will open doors for advanced technology sharing. Simultaneously, the unbreakable strategic relationship with the United States continues to deepen. The recent high-level meeting between the U.S. Army Secretary and Coast Dwivedi confirms ongoing efforts toward military engagement and increasing interoperability, particularly vital for security architecture in the Indo-Pacific. India is truly building an international coalition for stability. From securing air superiority with Operation Sindoor to committing nearly 80,000 crores to indigenous power, India's strategic trajectory is crystal clear: self-reliance and global influence. We are reshaping the map, becoming a decisive net security provider in the region. Don't miss any critical updates on India's rise. Hit that like button, subscribe to Strategic Command, and enable notifications so you are always the first to know the key defense developments shaping our future. Jai Hind, and we'll see you in the next one.